Hello guys, I am Urpita and today I am talking about Camlin's water soluble graphite sticks, rupees 250, and it is very useful products. So let's get started. I already made 3 circle for testing 3 different shades 2B, 4B and 6B. At first I use 2B and this is Camlin's 2B water soluble graphite stick. One also good, and at last 6B. This one naturally darker than 2B and 4B. Now I add little water here also. All 3 shades are good and really easy to use, and this one I purchased from Amazon. I get the link of this product on description below. So I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for that when I upload new video you can see at first. Thanks for watching.